if GMC took the already impressive Sierra AT4X and transformed it into the ultimate luxury off-road truck? That's exactly what we're showing you today with the 2026 GMC Sierra AT4X Dream Concept. The regular Sierra AT4X is already GMC's most capable off-road truck, but what if GMC went all in on premium materials and aggressive styling? What if they created a truck that combines Denali luxury with extreme off-road capability? Let me walk you through this build. We started with midnight blue metallic paint, but not just any blue. This has a deep, glossy finish with subtle bronze metal flake that catches light like a luxury car. The front end features GMC's signature massive grille with chrome vertical slats, but we've added a bronze chrome surround that immediately sets it apart. Those C-shaped LED headlights now have bronze bezels, housing triple projector beams with distinctive white daytime running lights. Now here's where it gets serious. This concept rides on 24-inch forged wheels in a bronze and black two-tone finish. That's way bigger than stock. Behind them, you'll see bronze brake calipers with AT4X script. The tires? 35-inch Goodyear all-terrain rubber. We lifted the suspension an extra 2 to 3 inches beyond the stock AT4X height in those Multimatic DSSV shocks. They're coated in bronze with external reservoirs prominently displayed. The wide-body design adds serious presence. We're talking about integrated fender flares that extend 3 to 4 inches per side, making this truck look absolutely massive. Carbon fiber shows up on the front skid plate, rear bumper, and bed caps, all trimmed in bronze accents. At the rear, quad bronze-tipped exhaust outlets emerge from a carbon diffuser. The Multi-Pro tailgate features large AT4X lettering in bronze chrome. Step inside and you're surrounded by luxury. Black and saddle brown Napa leather seats with diamond quilting and bronze stitching. Carbon fiber dashboard trim with bronze aluminum accents. A 16-inch curved touchscreen dominates the dash, while a 14-inch digital cluster shows terrain modes and suspension travel. For power, we're keeping GMC's available 6.2-liter V8, making 420 horsepower, but paired with upgraded suspension, all-terrain tires, and performance exhaust. The real magic is in the capability. Those Multimatic shocks provide incredible wheel travel for rock crawling. The lifted stance gives you approach and departure angles that handle serious terrain. And the Multi-Pro tailgate offers 6 different configurations for maximum utility. Here's what makes this realistic. GMC could sell this between $85,000 and $100,000. It would compete with high-end Raptors and TRXs while offering unique GMC luxury and that Multi-Pro tailgate nobody else has. Successful professionals who need a capable truck but want luxury would line up for this. It would be the ultimate statement truck. Is this real? Not yet. But everything here is based on current GMC technology and realistic modifications. This is what GMC should build to capture buyers who want maximum luxury and maximum capability in one package. The Sierra AT4X is already great. This dream version just takes it to the level it deserves. If you want to see GMC build this, hit that like button and subscribe. Tell me in the comments if you'd spec this over a Raptor or TRX. Let's show GMC there's demand for the ultimate luxury off-road truck.